Okay guys, trying to put on an M4 bumper cover in the BMW 328i 2007. So jacked it up. Okay, let's get to unbolting. Gotta unbolt these screws under there. Alright guys. Okay guys, so we have to unbolt these screws. So under the car, unbolting. So you can see I do be doing this work. Oh man, this thing is hard to turn. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use this thing here to get it to turn. Okay guys, so here we have M4 bumper. I went to a place here in Canada so I could get like the paint to match this. I've kind of painted it good, but you can see I messed up here. Haven't gotten all these places. I'm gonna have to get more paint, but for the most part it looks silver. The paint kind of dripped here. It was raining yesterday, but it doesn't look too bad. I just need to go over it. The silver does look nice though. It's an M4 bumper. Apparently it's really cold outside. I don't feel I can see that. Apparently I spent around close to 700 Canadian on this front bumper, which is ridiculous because even though I got the fog lights holes in the vents, I didn't get the fog lights. Okay, they want me to pay for that, which is like 129 by itself. Now I'm not gonna say I'm the richest person right now because I'm pretty much broke, not even gonna lie to you, so these things, they do cost, especially when you're just trying to do this on yourself and living around. I gotta get the mirror caps, so I gotta take off those mirrors and get the M sport looking caps. They should be cheap. I need to get the license plate mount so I can relocate this, and I somehow managed to tie the stock fog lights into that, so I think that's why my bumper is a little bit pushed out. So I have to get those fog light bulbs, and there is a little gap between here, so I think maybe when I get the fog light holder, the actual fog light bulbs, there won't be any gaps. So I need to get the lip. Maybe I could get like the canards to give it like a more aggressive look. I have to get the back bumper. I need to sort out the muffler, and I'm having a little misfire again. I think the guy didn't fix the seal properly, but yeah, that's how the car looks. It's looking good. I'm gonna build it. Still working on that. I'm probably gonna try to get like the spacers for the wheels. Probably gonna try to spray the wheels and get like the fender flares, those ones I can cheap, and like put on the sides. And I gotta get the black markers for these. I'm gonna put fender flares here. So it's a work in progress, guys. It's a work in progress. So this is a BMW 328i 2007, and whenever I get to save, hopefully I get a second job soon again, we can get some big turbos up in this. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Peace.